First question: which is called the city of seven islands? Answer: Mumbai. Second question: which animal's milk contains the most protein? Answer: sheep. Your third question: total number of continents in the world? Answer: 7. Your next question: in which country plastic notes are issued? Answer: Australia. Next question: which is the largest bank of India? Answer: State Bank of India. Next question: Vivo is company of which country? Answer: China. Next question: which is the second longest river in the world? Answer: Amazon River. Next question: which country is also known as land of the midnight sun? Answer: Norway. Next question: which animal has the most blood in its body? Answer: elephant. Next question: which bird has the biggest egg? Answer: ostrich. Next question: in which country white elephant is found? Answer: Thailand. Next question: in which state is the Konark Sun Temple located? Answer: Odisha. Next question: which country is known as the battleground of Europe? Answer: Belgium. Next question: which animal gives both milk and eggs? Answer: platypus. Next question: which is the largest tropical rainforest in the world? Answer: Amazon rainforest. Next question: which is the biggest island in the world? Answer: Greenland. Next question: where is the largest school in the world? Answer: India. Next question: in which country Yellowstone National Park is located? Answer: USA. Next question: emu bird is found in the country? Answer: Australia. Next question: which creature can change from male to female? Answer: Octopus. Your next question: which country has 3 capitals? Answer: South Africa. Next question: which is the capital city of Spain? Answer: Madrid. Next question: which country has the world's largest prison population? Answer: United States America. Next question: Which country has the most gold? Answer: America. Next question. America is a slave of which country? Answer: England. Next question. Which is the longest river on earth? Answer: Nile River. Next question. The headquarters of World Bank is located at? Answer: Washington. Next question. Which scientist discovered the bulb? Answer: Thomas Alva Edison. Next question. Which is the longest national highway of India? Answer: NH 44. Next question. In which state is the Valley of Flowers? Answer: Uttarakhand. Next question. The Valley of King is located in the country? Answer: Egypt. Next question. Who was the last Governor General of India? Answer: Lord Mountbatten. Next question. What is the name of the smallest continent? Answer: Australia. Next question. In which state are Ajanta caves located? Answer: Maharashtra. Next question. Where the headquarters of Google is located? Answer: California. Next question. Which is the main source of energy for the earth? Answer: Sun. Next question. When the social media site Facebook was first founded? Answer: 2004. Next question. On which day is Teachers' Day celebrated? Answer: 5 September. Next question. Which state is famous for spice production? Answer: Kerala. Next question. Which country has the largest number of post office? Answer: India. Next question. Dettol soap is a company of which country? Answer: England. Next question. Which country first introduced the bullet trains? Answer: Japan. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of soybean? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Which animal cannot Look at the sky. Answer: pig. Next question. International Women's Day is celebrated on. Answer: 8 March. Next question. How many countries are border with the Black Sea? Answer: 6 countries. Next question. How much time will it take to go to the moon? Answer: 3 days. Next question. Which vitamin is milk? Answer: vitamin C. Next question. Where is the High Court of Kerala located? Answer: Ernakulam. Next question. Which is the first country to allow women vote? Answer: New Zealand. Next question. What is the national sentence of India? Answer: Satyamev Jayate. Next question. When is Children's Day celebrated? Answer: November 14. Next question. In which city is the Gateway of India is located? Answer: Mumbai. Next question. When does India celebrate Republic Day? Answer: January 26. Next question. Which is the highest mountain in the world? Answer: Mount Everest. Next question. When was the Miss World award started? Answer: in 1951. Next question. Who received the first Bharat Ratna award? Answer: C.V. Raman. Next question. Who invented radio? Answer: G. Marconi. Next question. Which planet is known as the red planet? Answer: Mars. Next question. Who wrote Malgudi Days? Answer: R.K. Narayan. Next question. What is computer brain? Answer: CPU. Next question. What is the expanded form of RBI? Answer: Reserve Bank of India. Next question. Virat Kohli is associated with which sport? Answer: cricket. Next question. Which organ pumps our blood? Answer: heart. Next question. Who is the father of our nation? Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. Next question. What is an ant's house called? Answer: hill. Next question. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Answer: Rabindranath Tagore. Next question. Who gave the theory of relativity? Answer: Albert Einstein. Next question. A person who plays music is called? Answer: musician. Next question. Who gave the universal law of gravitation? Answer: Isaac Newton. Next question. Which flower is called the queen of flowers? Answer: rose. Next question. What is the name of the Earth's natural satellite? Answer: moon. Next question. Which planet is known for its beautiful rings? Answer: Saturn. Next question. What is the name of the nearest star to the Earth? Answer: Sun. Next question. Which is called the king of spices? Answer: black pepper. Next question. In which year did India become independent? Answer: 1947. Next question. Which is called the queen of spices? Answer: cardamom. Next question. Ayodhya Rama Mandir is situated on which state of India? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Which country was also called Golden Bird? Answer: India. Next question. Who was the first president of India? Answer: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next question. Which is the largest country in the world? Answer: Russia. Next question. Which is the smallest country in the world? Answer: Vatican City. Next question. Who wrote the Nad Gita of Karnataka? Next answer: Kuvempu. Next question. Which is the largest private sector bank of India? Answer: HDFC Bank. Next question. When was Google established? Answer: 4 September 1998. Next question. Which country has the largest population in the world? Answer: India. Next question. What is the capital of China? Answer: Beijing. Next question. Which country has the oldest people in the world? Answer: Japan. Next question. From which country did the game of chess originate? Answer: India. Next question. Which country is called the land of thousand lakes? Answer: Finland. Next question. Which is the largest desert in India? Answer: Thara Desert. Next question. What is the outer shell of the egg made of? Answer: calcium carbonate. Next question. How much time did it take to build the Taj Mahal? Answer: 22 years. Next question. In which state red chilli is produced the most? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of cotton in India? Answer: Gujarat. Next question. Where the India's first defense university is located? Answer: Haryana. Next question. Which is the largest city of India by population? Answer: Mumbai. Your next question. Which one is the longest in river South India? Answer: Godavari River. Your next question. Where the headquarters of LIC is located? Answer: Mumbai. Your last question. Bharatanatyam is classical dance of which state? Guess me correct answer and comment the box. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Love you all guys.